So, sir, like here I have data set
Mhm.
for the same product ID in two different languages.
Yes.
But sir, in this you can see that for that particular product ID one,
Mhm.
only the text which I have written in E means English, it's only showing. So, sir, is this the function of text table,
Yeah, yeah. So it's
or
an
is there
English.
any error in my creation?
Okay. So this text is coming in the last, right? So
Yes, sir.
now that text is from English language, or
Yes, sir.
you logged in with English, right? So
Yes, sir.
that's the
Yes, sir.
reason system understand that you should only see the description in English. So only that's the reason you're able to see that English entry only.
Okay, if I would enter with that other
If
Dutch
you
or
logged
something, then it
in,
will show.
yes, if you log in with some other language, then that other description should come.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So today now we'll create the maintenance view. Okay. So go here. This already exists. Okay, let me create empty. So given this is the view I want to create, click on create maintenance view. Okay. This I can write maintenance view for employee details. Okay. So guys, what are the tables? My tables are DMP master. This is one table. And another table is ZEMP nominee. Okay. So now I'll give the employee master table and I click relationship. It's coming as unsuitable cardinality. Okay. Because which is the check table here, guys, with this relationship? In this relationship, foreign key relationship, which one is the check table and which one is foreign key table? Sorry, come again.
MSD is checked.
Check table.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So while click, yeah. Okay. So that's correct. So JDMP MST is the check table. JDMP nominee is the foreign key table. So here in the base table, I have given check table or foreign key table. Which one I have given? Guys, I've given the check table. That's the reason when I go to relationship, it's showing unsuitable cardinality because here in the table, I should give the foreign key table. Okay, I should give nominee. So it's asking when the changes will be made will be deleted. Okay, nominee, I select here relationship. Now I'm able to see the relationship. So if I can select here, which table will be added? If I select here, I'm able to see this table also. Okay, I cannot write it. Only option is you select the table, click on relationship, pop-up will come, you select the table. So once you select the table, the other table, the check table will be automatically inserted here. Okay. So for maintenance view, key is foreign key relationship is mandatory, while creation we have to provide the foreign key table and click on relationship and select the check table as okay. Do it. Save. Saved as local object. Okay. So now I have two tables here, and are you able to see the joining condition? This is auto filled. It is automatically filled by the system, and this is in disable mode. Okay. So how system knows that in this table mandate is this table mandate and this employee ID is this table employee ID. This relationship is correctly defined here in the joining condition, but this is done automatically by the system. So how system knows these things, guys? How system derive this thing?
At the time of foreign key creation time.
Sorry.
When we create a table set the foreign key relation जब create करने थे तब
Okay. In the foreign key relationship, we have given the relationship, right? Which table
yes,
is against check in which. So it is coming from there. Good answer. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll go here, view field. Two fields are already included. I click on table field. I'll go to nominee, maybe nominee these two I need. Copy. And I go to the other table. And I select center. Copy. Save. Activate. So I'm reiterating a point. When define, here is a key, right? Here is a key. Okay. So all the key field should be in the top. Okay. Keys in the view. Keys in the view are auto derived from the backend table. Okay. Key fields from all the table which are in the view should be in the top before any data field. Data field should be only after all the key field from key data field should be present or added only after data field should be added only after the key fields from all the tables are selected. Okay. So what does it mean? In the top section, the key field should be there. So let's say we have multiple table. So in the first table, there will be 2 key. Then second table, there will be 3 key, right? So what you have to do, you have to go here to the first table and select the key. Select the key field. So this is 2 key field. Copy. Do not select any non-key field on the top. Okay. Select key field, copy. Go to the second table, select the key field. But in our case, mandate and employee ID is already selected and there is no additional key field. So I can skip this step. Okay. Copy. So now I have selected the key field from both the table. Now I'll go and add the text field. I want this copy. Then I want the text field or data field from the second table. Okay. Otherwise, this key will be messed up. Okay. So always pay attention to this. While defining the field, select the key field from each table. Okay. So done. Activate. Okay. And the best thing for a maintenance view, copy this thing. Right here. Maintenance view. So for maintenance view, we can create a TMG. Okay. For maintenance view, we can create a TMG. For maintenance view, we can create TMG. Okay. Is it clear, guys? For maintenance view, we can create TMG. Okay. So how to create the TMG? First of all, here, display maintenance allowed should be checked. Activate. And we go here, content. Okay. Content. Utility content. Nothing is happening because we haven't done the TMG. So we have to go to table maintenance generator. Here, provide the function group. Same process. Same process. Find screen number. Execute. Okay. Go back. Now my TMG is created. I want to maintain the entry content. Okay, so I'm only able to see 2 rows here, 2 rows. But here, if I go, I have 8 rows, and here I have 2 rows. Okay, guys. So what is the reason? We already discussed in last class. Because maintenance view runs on inner join. Okay, only common entry comes up. Okay, I go here, new entry, and I'll create it, new employee details, nominee, his father, ABCD, EFGH, employee full name is XYZ, employee phone number is this. Okay, and designation will select lead, gender is male, save. Heat 14 does not exist in MST table. Check entry.
We can only maintain sir कि check table में वो dat record होना चाहिए. I mean the foreign key and the relationship होना चाहिए.
Correct. So this 30 already no, there is some issue. Let me delete it. Let me recreate. Okay. Delete this thing. Because there is a mistake we have done. Let me cross verify. Here, utility table maintenance generator is there. Utility content 13, 14. Relation. Okay, still does not exist. Okay.
Sir, it has to be in a foreign key table that key field. That means employee ID has to be in a both same. That we can enter. or maintain the data. We
One
cannot
second.
enter the new data, sir.
Sorry?
We cannot enter the new data, sir.
No,
We
no,
can only
it
maintain that existing data.
possible. We have done it in past. Okay, let me wait. Let's wait for some time. I'll go to tables. I'll go to this because I remember we have done it in past. Copy. I'll go here. Sorry, this already done. Go here. Relationship nominee. Save. Apply. No. And if I go here, table maintenance, I'll delete this. So utility. Syntax error. Syntax error. Key field is unknown. Okay. So this key field is unknown, it is saying. Okay, no problem. So what I can do, nominee, I can select these two here. And cut and paste it. Okay. Select everything. Table field. Let me try once more here. So here, utility stable maintenance generator and screen number generate. Utility, will I get the error? Yes, okay, fine. So I'll delete the table maintenance. So guys, now in this table, it is giving a dump, right? That is because the primary key of the foreign key table is not there. Okay, we're selecting the MST. So we'll do one thing. We'll remove everything. We'll go here, and this is the primary table, right? I'll go to the primary table and select the key. Copy. Now if I go here, table fields, if I go here, MST, there is this field is already selected. Okay, so now I'll go for the table fields, other fields, data fields, select these two, copy, and here from here I can select the employee name, phone number, designation. Okay, and here what I'll do, save. And here I think something there. You can read. I'll go to table maintenance generator. Keep the entry here. One step, find scope. Created. Go here. Okay, change here. New entry. See, are you able to see now? This field are not read only. Okay, so now if I select, let's say I want to maintain the nominee of 11, I can select father, and once I select the employee, am I able to see the name of the employee, guys? Am I able to see the name of the employees? From where it is coming? I only entered this field. So I got the employee full name, employee phone number, and employee designation. I'll show you. I'll go to this table. I'll go to this table. Okay, so the name is test. I'm able to see the name is test. Employee phone number is 0. There is no phone number. And what is else? ABCD, designation is ABCD. Okay, so now here I'm able to see these details, and if I want to maintain the nominee XYZ, I can maintain and save. Okay, here is rightly who was that new entry from here. What is the reason? Because this view is based on this table nominee, right? So this is the main table here. Okay, this is the main table. Now this table has a foreign key relationship with ZMST, right? ZMST. So that's the reason when we're entering a new entry that is not there in the MST. Okay. And now if you go to content, here content, and I go and new entry, here these three fields are enabled. I can write anything, but here I cannot entry anything. Okay, so that I have done purposefully. That is only for the information. So how we can do? Here is a column. You go here, F search, do a F4 help here, and here R is there. View field can only be read. Okay, so why I am doing it? Because this view I have created to maintain the nominee details. Okay, so whoever maintains the nominee details should not change the employee master. Okay, so let's say I go here, I make it as remove the R, activate. Table maintenance generator, I have to regenerate it. Go back. Utility, table maintenance generator. Yet. Okay, I'll go now. Modify during the run, no problem. Go to here. I removed R from name. Okay, let's see what is the effect. Now, if I go here for employee number 1, now someone is there. Instead of someone, I have made Gaurav. Okay, instead of someone, it is Gaurav. So this field is there in which table, guys? Employee full name is from which table, guys?
Yes, sir, MST table, sir.
MST table. And nominee relationship, nominee name is from which table?
Nominee table.
Nominee table, right?
Nominee
So
table.
nominee table, correct. So if I go here, I go and filter, execute. So I can see the name is someone, okay? And if I go to, this is master, this is just master. And here if I go to the nominee table, here the nominee name is ABCD. Okay, so what we'll do here, instead of nominee name is ABCD, whatever it is, right? I'll write is Sam. Okay, nominee name is Sam. And here, this will write something as Steve. Okay, so what should happen if I click on save? What will happen if I click on save? Guys, so the nominee name was, what was that? Nominee name is this ABCB SBD. So I change it to Sam, and the employee full name is someone. I change it to Steve. So I'll click save. That I set. Okay. So what is that? But here, see, we're unable to change this field. It's still refreshed with the old name. See, it's not changing. Okay. And here it's become Sam. Okay. Is it clear, guys? So even if we're trying to make it as a read input value, it's not getting changed. It's not getting changed. What are the field got changed? Who are the part of this nominee table that getting changed? I want to write is ABC. Save it, is getting changed. Guys, so with the maintenance view, I can only update which table? This base table. And why I need other tables? Why I need other tables?
Get
To get the details,
Relationships,
additional details.
Oh.
So as we are getting additional details, we should make it as a R. So what will happen if we make it as R? So those fields will be read only. Okay, is it clear, guys? Guys, is it clear or any question?
So difference between database view and maintenance view is that TMG can be
Projection view can be built on a single table, and we can select after from n number of column to certain column. Okay. Database view can be created with multiple tables, right? And this can be used in a program. Okay. Is this foreign key relationship is mandatory for database view? Foreign key relationship is mandatory for database view?
No.
No, it's not mandatory. Okay, but we can have, good to have. And the next is the maintenance view. In the maintenance view, we can able to create a TMG, and it can be used to maintain the details. Okay, what's the other view? The fourth one?
help view.
Help view. So you want me to create a help view, or you will create from your end? Guys?
Sir.
Shall I create, or you will discuss today? Okay. So whenever we are creating any object here, okay, we create it. We'll go here, provide the details, test, and here let's say I'll give here pattern, and I save it. Okay. What this pop-up is asking? It's asking me a package, right? Asking me a package. So here, what is the package you are giving? We are not giving anything. We are just clicking on local object. Okay. So what is package? Package. Okay. So how many system will be there in the landscape, guys? In the real-time world, how many system will be there in the landscape? We discuss this multiple times. How many system will be there in the landscape?
6.
What do you mean by system?
Server, application server. How many application servers or system will be having in a landscape? How many system? We discussed it actually many times. So we have 3 system, right? What are the names, guys? This is development. This one is the second one.
Production.
Third one is production.
Quality.
This is quality, correct. This is quality. Okay. Now we are doing a practice. Okay. So this is a separate system. Okay. Now let's say for a customer we are working. So in which system will create the tables, views, search help? Which system will be doing that? The development activity will be done in which system? Dev system. Okay.
Development system.
Development system. Excellent. So now here, what we say, here we created one table. Okay. Table 1. Okay. So how we created, we went to SE11, we created 10, 20 data element, 20 domain, and all those things I created. Okay. Now testing has been done. Now we want to move to quality. Okay. We want that table to be moved to quality. So what are the options? In the quality, I have to create the table again. Guys, I want to create the table again, right? I want my table in quality. So I have to create it again, right? So if creating of this table takes 6 hours, then another 6 hours I have to spend here. Again, same. Another 6 hours I need in production. Okay. So one thing is, it is time consuming. Okay. So 6 hours is fine. But if it is a big development, you have to create 10 tables, right? Let's say 40 hours. 1 week, entire week you worked. You created 10 tables. Now you want those tables to be available in quality. So you have to spend another 40 hours to create the table in quality. Again, another 40 hours in production. Okay. So one issue is that we have to do the same activity multiple times. Redundant activity. There is no difference, right? I created the table here. Then same thing I have to do here. Same thing I have to do here. So I'm consuming thrice. If the thing can be done in 40 hours, I'm consuming 120. Let's say of a big project where 4,000, 5,000 hours are spent, then that will increase to 12,000 hours. Okay. Another approach is while creating a table here. Okay. You created 10 fields, but while doing in quality, you forgot one field or you did some mistake, or instead of providing num_c as a data type, you provided character. Then this table and this table are not same. It may bring other issues. So by looking into these things, we have something called as transport request. Okay, so what is transport request? What is transport? Let's understand what is transport. Transport means that if we say by the English name, we're transporting some of the goods from one place to other. Okay, so similarly, we have created a table in development system and we want to transport it to quality. Okay, so that can be done through a transport request. In short, it is known as TR. This is known as TR. Okay, so first, to create a transport request, the first criteria is the object should be present in a package. The object should be present in a package. Non-local package. Okay, non-local package. So what is a package? What is package? So package is nothing but container. Container or placeholder. Folder of objects. Okay, so we are creating this kind of folder, you can say, or something like that, similar to those things. So it's basically it's a container inside which we are creating the table. Okay, so the first requirement is the object should have a package. Any object that we want to transport should have a package. So there is a T code to create a package. T code okay, T code to create a package is SE21. Okay, please write it down. Okay, so if the object has to be transported, it should be assigned to a package. Okay, package. So till now, which package we are doing? We are creating a local object. Local object. Okay, local object. This is a local package. It's a local package. If we assign this package to the object, then that object cannot be transported. Is this thing clear, guys? Guys, local object. What is local object? Local object means that's a object that is local to a particular system that cannot be transported to other. So that's only local. Okay, so local object is the object which cannot be transported and is local in the system. So if you click on local object, that object becomes local, it cannot be transported. But still, that object, every object needs a package. Okay, every object needs a package. So let's say you say that I create an object and I don't want to transport, and we click on local object. So what will happen? There is a package name $tmp. So $tmp is nothing but the name of the local package. The name of the local package is $tmp. So that's why when you click local object, every time system is capturing those objects inside $tmp package. Okay, so till now, whatever object we have created, we created as a local object. That means that object cannot be transported. Okay, but in real time, when we work for a project, so every object that we create should be available in the production. Okay, guys, this concept is clear to all, or any doubt? guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. We'll create a package. Okay. SE11 here. Sorry, not SE11. SE21 and here package. Okay. Z heat create and is asking for a short description. Key patch heat package, or we can write package for heat. Okay, and it should be a development package. Okay, that's it. Now this is asking. We'll come to this. Okay, later. Click OK. We'll come to this thing. So now this package has been created. That's it. Nothing much. Only you have to give the package name and package short description. So we created a package. Okay. Now this table or data element I'm creating Z test underscore ABC. I want to transport this data element. So here, so what I have to do? Do I have to store as a local object or in a package? Which one? If I want to transport this data element in the package, so I'll give the name of the package. Okay, and save. So when I give a package, it is asking me for this pop-up. So this pop-up is known as transport request. Okay. So here, when we can write it as a TR or transport request, each time we assign the object to non-local package, system will ask for a TR. Okay, ask for a TR. Okay, so here two options. Either I have a TR already or I have to create a TR. To create a TR, you click here. Are you able to see, guys? Here, this button you can click and it will ask for a description. You can write first TR, or you can write the requirement. Actually, here we can write employee master requirement, something like meaningfully you can give. Another thing I can write GD. GD means my name, and I can give, or I can give the module for which module I'm working, HCM, and I give a meaningful name. Save it. Save. Okay. So now maintain field level. Okay. Now save and activate. Okay. So what happened? What happened now? This data element has been captured in a TR. This data element is captured in a TR. Okay. So what happened if I want to move this object, this data element to QA? What I have to do? What I have to do? I have to move the TR. Is it clear, guys? If I want to move this, I have to move the TR. So each time we assign an object to the system, will ask for the TR. Upon providing the TR, the object is added to the TR. When we move the TR from one landscape to the other, all the objects captured in the TR are okay. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Or any question till now?
Sir, we move the TR from landscape to other means.
Other, yeah. So now it's kind of a truck. Okay. Transport request are the medium through which is kind of a truck. So what we do? We get the truck, we put the goods inside, and we ship the truck. Okay. Once the truck reaches to the destination, the goods are transported. So similarly, while creating the object, we are creating capturing that in a TR. Okay, we're capturing in the TR. And if we want to move those objects from one landscape to other, we'll move the TR. Move the TR means what we have to do. So there is a concept like importing. TR import. The T code is STMS underscore import. TR import. So now what I have to do, my TR is created in which system, guys? Development system. Okay, so now I want to move the changes from development to quality. So what I have to do, I have to go to quality system, log in quality system. Okay, and I have to provide the TR name in the quality, and I can import that TR from development to quality. Okay, so I have to import the TR in the quality. So when I import the TR, then all the object in the TR will be copied to quality. Okay, is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now another thing. So what's the T code for TR, guys? I created a TR. I want to see it. T code for the TR is SE09 or SE10. Okay. So if I go here, SE09, and here modifiable, I have selected display. So I'm able to, this is the TR I created, isn't it, guys? And this is the number. So if I want to transport this thing to quality, I'll log into quality, I provide this name, and I can import. Okay. So ED8K and 902419 is the TR number. Is the TR number. So if I want to transport my data element, I'll go and input this TR. Okay. So now, are you able to see another name inside the TR, guys? Are you able to see two names here, guys? Two
Yes,
numbers,
sir.
19 and 20, 2419,
Yes, sir.
24120. So the top one is known as the TR. So TR number is what? Star 902419 is TR. Star 902420 is task. Okay, is known as task. Okay. So when we create a TR, one TR will be created and one task will be created, and our object is inside. Are you able to see data element? Guys, are you able to see data element? And this is the data element that I captured in this TR. Okay, so system knows what are the things is inside this TR. Okay, so when I move this to QA, then this thing from the development will be copied to QA. Is the thing clear now, guys? Or any question? Guys,
Yes, sir.
okay. Is clear to all? To import to import the TR should be released in dev. What is release? So we add everything. Once all the things are added, we can release that here. We can select it. There is a truck symbol. Release directly. It's released. Then you have to select release the TR. So now this TR is released. This TR is released. Are you able to see a tick mark? This TR is released. So once the TR is released, then only you can import in the QA. So this TR is not yet released. This TR is not yet released because there is no tick mark next to it. So this TR is not released. That means this TR cannot be imported in quality. If I want this TR to be imported, I have to release this TRs. Okay, so to import the TR should be released in there. Okay, is this thing clear, guys? What is TR? So I'll create one more thing, ABC2 create, and I'll data element, I'll create data element, and here I'll give character 12, and while saving, it is asking for the package. I've given the package, and here I have to provide the TR. So no need to create another one because I have already created. So that's why you can click here, and I release that TR, right? I release that TR. That's fine. I have another TR. I capture it in this TR. There. So now if I go here inside test, I will be able to see my data element here. Okay. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next thing is important. So, sorry. Insert. Okay. Next thing is how many TR will create. So when you will create a TR, or I can say that important point here. Okay. So now who can answer me? I have to create 10 tables. Okay, I have to create 10 tables. So whether I'll capture all the things in the same tier or different tier?
Same tier.
On the same tier, sir.
Same tier. Okay, so there it matters actually. Okay, so if let's say there is two requirement, one requirement is for develop employee master. Development of employee master. This is one requirement. Another is material master changes. This is another requirement. So let's say here I have 6 tables, 2 data 6 table, 20 data element, 20 domain, 6 structure, then 2 programs, and for this I have 4 tables, 4 data elements, 20 domain, and 6 I can write 2 structure and 3 program. Okay, so technically these two are different. This is one requirement and this is one requirement. Okay, so you have to logically separate the tier. You can create 2 tiers. In the first tiers, whatever object you have created, you capture in this one tier. Okay, one tier, and this is one tier. Okay, so it's more of a logically you have to group. Otherwise, there will be so many issues, different issues. Okay, clear. Another use of the TR will transporting table entries. from one system to another. So usage of TR. The first one is transporting object, development object from one system to other. So this we understood. What are the development object? Tables, data elements, domain, all those things will be transported from one system to the other. That we understood. Okay. There is another thing also, transporting table entry. So this morely 90% of time done by functional consultant. Okay, functional consultant. Okay, so let's say they maintain some value in some table and they want to transport that particular entry to other system. That also can be done. So it is possible that they came to you and ask you to create a table. So you create a table, you create a TMG and all those things. But what they are asking is, okay, I need to capture whatever entry I maintain in dev. So I want to transport that to QA. I don't want to maintain those table again in QA. So in that case, there is a setting available in that TMG. We can enable that. Okay. So let's say I go to this table and I go to table maintenance generator. I'll create a TMG first because I deleted the TMG. And here there is a recording routine. Guys, are you able to see? This is an interview question. Okay, this is an interview question. People will ask that, how do you transport the entry in a TR from a table? Okay. So there is a recording routine. You have to enable it as a standard recording routine. Okay. And create. Okay. So I have selected standard. After that, do a F4 and adjust in dialog. You have to select save. Okay. So my TMG is created. Now I'll go out. And I come back. I go and create entries. I'll create new entries. 15. Save. It is asking me a TR. Okay. So I can write EMP details table entries. Okay. So guys, tell me one thing. I created this TR. Okay. I created this TR. So this TR contain the table or table entry. So what will happen if I move this TR to QA? The table get created or a record in the table will get created?
Both, sir.
Not both. There is only either.
Record.
And the table contains, sir.
Table content. Because in the TR, what I am capturing? Am I capturing the table or I am capturing the records?
Records,
This
sir.
particular records. So when I move this record, right? So when I move this TR, the record, whatever, let's say this 15. So this 15, this record will be created in QA. Is it clear, guys? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So this is
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yeah. Anybody is asking anything? No, right? Okay. So now this is the interview question, guys. Write it down in a note. How to transport the table entry in a TR? Okay.
Sir, repeat again, sir.
How to transport the entry of a table in a TR? Okay, you can say that In the TMG, there is a recording routine. In the recording routine, we have to select standard recording routine. By default, it will be no. The second option is selected by default. You have to make it as a standard recording routine. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is TR and what is local object? How to release a TR? Okay, how to transport, all those things are required. Okay, so any question, guys, so far? All right, so shall we go for a